Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing Evelyn. Like in literally it's called Evelyn Water. Okay, so this is just gonna be a tutorial. Let's get into it. Okay, so guys, sorry guys, my friends are actually annoying. We're gonna be doing single player and we're gonna be doing part 1. Living in 987654321 We are off. We are off. There, we are off. Despite the thumbnail, this game includes loud sound effects, mild strobe lighting, and sensitive content. Remember that, okay? For the best experience, wear headphones and play in a dark setting. But remember, this game includes loud sounds. Now we not like to skip the cutscene. Hello, detective. Glad you could make it here today. I am Mr. Oakes. Last week, my daughter Evelyn Oakes mysteriously died. Wonder that what the hospital has not found out what caused her death yet. Here, take a look at the case notes. Miss Evelyn Oakes, born 14th April 1908, died 13th October 1921, age 11. Evelyn died on a Friday, the 13th October 1921. Her cause of death was unknown. The local hospital has not found anything suspicious that could have. Okay, I did not take that. My wife and I have been living at our second home a few miles away since Evelyn died. Okay. We got Evelyn a doll for her 13th birthday. That belonged to a royal family member. After we got Evelyn that doll, strange things have been happening in our house. Objects move, doors slam, and the lights flicker. Ali shut my fridge just start making ice cubes. After Evelyn died, we could hear footsteps, giggling, and music playing by itself. Personally, I think the doll has a connection to Evelyn's death. Okay, that is ridiculous. The doll has nothing to do with her death. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, that's his wife, Mr. Oakes, Evelyn's mother. Yeah, that's his wife, Mrs. Oakes. Actually, we moved out of the house the same day she passed away. Everything in the house reminds me of her. It's too hard to live there now. Okay. By the way, guys, this might have a part 2 because we're already 3 minutes in. Detective, can you look for any clues or objects that will help us solve this case? Yeah, sure. Sure, Mr. Oakes. We're gonna call you Mr. Okay, that scared me. By the way, it's best if you play with your volume at least a little bit up, because you're gonna hear clanks. By the way, loud noise. Okay, 6 May 1921. I have a new friend. She lives here with me now. She said I am not allowed to tell anyone about her or she will leave. I think she's really interesting because she's not human. She seems nice. She wants me to help her become human soon. Okay. Was that written by Evelyn? Yes, I think it was. Let's check the... Still scares me. Yes. Why is Evelyn's thing missing? This is not the first time I've played this. Let's click the oven. Oh yes. This is not actually the first time I've played this, but I just played it to about here. So I do not really know anything about it. Okay, so let's get the sink plug, sinky thingy, the sink thing. Okay, ooh, that scared me. What's in there? It's a key. It's a key. Looks like it leads to the bathroom. Let's find the bathroom. I think everything's gonna jump scare me. In the corner so nothing can jump. What's this? Today she told me 25th June 1921. Today she told me to find something that used to be hers. I found it and brought it back to her. We have hidden this secret from everyone. It's fun having a big secret with my new friend. Now that we have hidden it, she has become stronger. By the way, guys, this is probably definitely gonna need a part 2. Is there something in the trash can? Nothing in the trash can. Something in the sink. Or here in the drawers. There is a pink toothbrush. Wait, guys, I think we need to find all the toothbrushes. Toothbrush. Where could they be? In here. Guys, I'm gonna find the next toothbrush. I'll see you guys then. Guys, I found it. I found it. I'm gonna search for the next toothbrush. Okay, guys, I found it. Yellow toothbrush. Let's get that main room. Is this the main room? I think this necklace is shiny. Let's see if there's anything in the closet. Let's see where it comes. Let's come in here. Another night. 8th September 1921. She told me if I ever remove the eyes, then it would end everything, even her. I don't want that to happen. I have to be careful not to do that. I hope that no one else will do it either. I want to protect the secret forever. Safe handle. Bedroom. Is this the bedroom? Yeah. That thing's creepy. So I think we're gonna need this. I think we're gonna need that. scared me. Lounge. Okay, I had a heart attack there. I signed up for this. I signed up for this. Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself. I signed up for this. There's a note there. She lied to me. She's using me. She said she'll live in my body forever. After tonight, I need to stop her before she does this. I need to expose the secret that I have hidden for her. If I do not write again in my diary, she won. Hopefully someone will find it. Anything useful here? Anyways, guys, that's all for today. This is part 1. See you guys in part 2. Bye!